What are you looking for later?
Well, I think the consumer is the main thing, right? I mean, especially in North America, there's this question of how well the consumer will hold up, as you were just hearing, and we'll get Nike's view into that world after the close. We're also going to be looking for commentary on trade. Nike last quarter said that it was going to reiterate its guidance for fiscal 2020. We're going to see the first quarter now and get a sense of whether they're still looking at growth. The analysts are expecting 7% same-store sales growth, about 5% earnings growth. And one of the real keys is going to be the women's market. Nike gets about 23% of its sales from women's apparel and shoes, that sort of thing. They're trying to increase that to around 40%. And they've been putting a lot of work into that. They had a big moment last quarter with the Women's World Cup. Of course, all summer long, 3 of the top 4 teams, the final 4 teams in the tournament, were sponsored by Nike, including the winners, the Americans. So that may be a big lift for them. So lots of things to watch for after the close.
Crayton, just a final word on the trade story. Your take so far, what has the complaint been from Nike? What kind of insight have we had from the company so far about how much pain they're going through already because of the tariffs that are already on?
Sure. Well, the shoe market in particular has actually had a tariff for a long time. It's sort of an idiosyncratic market to begin with. So there's always been, companies like Nike, they're very big and can manufacture in lots of places, actually have a little bit of an edge because they can shift resources around. So it hasn't been the sort of thing that's really hit them hard on the bottom line. But as more items start to go online in the coming months, according to the president's schedule of how these things are rolling out, we could see more pain. So it'll be interesting to see if there's any nuance to their comments tonight.
Crayton Harrison, always great to catch up with you.